Hi everyone, my name is Julie and I'm going to be guiding us through class today. Go ahead and come down onto your belly, gently looking to the right, letting your left face side gently rest on the ground beneath you. Come into the pose, letting your hips gently sway side to side. And come to a stillness. Focus on your breathing, the deep inhalations, in and out. And let your body just gently fall. Become weightless. Go ahead now and tilt your head to the other side, looking to the left, letting the right side of your face gently rest upon the floor beneath you. Your arms relaxed at your sides. Sinking into the mat below you. There's nowhere else you need to be right now, but in this moment. Start to bring movement back into your body. Gently and slowly come up to your tabletop position, through into a wide leg child's pose. Keep focusing on the breaths and let them nourish your body, sending that fresh air to all those places that need it most. Gently rise up, one arm at a time, coming up, taking a seated position, clasping our hands behind our back, coming into a chest opener, letting our head fall back, opening our neck, releasing tension. From here, we're just going to do wrist rolls, going one direction with both wrists, rolling round and round. Of course, make sure to go in the opposite direction as well. Now we're going to do a stretch for our toes. So by gently tucking them underneath us and sitting on our heels, we get a beautiful stretch in the toes. From here, I'm going to go into a modified child's pose with my toes being bent for the extra stretch. Coming into tabletop and going through a series of cat and cows. I'm choosing to add some movement to my cat and cows through child's pose with the cat arched back into cobra, cow pose back down into child's. I encourage you to find whatever cat-cow variation feels best in your body today. This practice is all about you, so cater it to your needs today and what feels good. Coming back through stillness in our tabletop pose, bringing our left arm up. We'll thread the needle through our right arm. Keeping our hips gently aligned above our knees. Gently letting our head rest against the mat. We will be here only for a short while. Coming up, bringing that pose to the opposite arm and threading it through under our left arm this time. Letting our right side of our face gently rest against the mat. Go ahead and come up and bring that arm up to counter pose. Next, we'll start our hip circles going in one direction. Whatever pace and size of circle feels good to you, I encourage you to do. All of our body's needs are different. It's important that we tune into them. Always remember to go both directions with your hip circles. Coming to stillness through tabletop and bringing that left leg up into a lizard pose. Please take whatever variation of lizard feels best in your body. I like to add some gentle swaying in my hips to deepen the release. From here, we're just going to gently bring that left leg over slowly into our pigeon pose. I'm choosing to fall forward in mine, letting my head gently rest against my forearms. But if it's more comfortable, you can stay upright. In this class, it's more important to think about the feeling in your body more than how the pose actually looks. Does it feel good? Not does it look good? Gently, slowly come back up if you were forward. And we will come through our tabletop pose again, bringing that leg back and through into a wide leg child's pose. Giving our body a moment to really soak in all of that nourishment we just gave it. Your mind begins to wander. Remember to always come back to your breath. It's always there to ground you. Again, we will clasp hands behind back, opening up our chest, our neck, letting our head gently drop back. If this pose doesn't feel good, you can always do a goalpost pose. Now it's time to do it on the other leg. So bringing that right leg up and through to lizard pose. If lizard pose is not comfortable, you can always do a lunge pose as well. I just find lizard really helps open my hips up. Now coming through pigeon this side. Again, choosing your own variation of pigeon. If you have any tension in your body, send it some fresh oxygen right now and let it release. Gently guide yourself up. From here, we're going to come into a fire log pose. So keeping that right leg on the bottom, bringing our left leg over, lining up shins as much as possible. Again, it's not what it looks like today, it's how it feels in your body today. Here, optional eagle arms variation. If eagle arms isn't in your practice, you can always do an arms across the chest stretch. or omit the stretch altogether. Gently, slowly coming out of that pose, we're going to do that same sequence, but with our left leg on the bottom, right leg on top now, and eagle arms variation, opposite arm on the bottom. If you're doing that, completely optional. Sometimes I find it nice to just let my upper body fall forward over my legs in this pose as well. Gently coming out of that posture, we're coming into a wide leg forward fold. Gently, slowly, inching our body out, just letting our upper body fall over. Don't worry about a straight back. This is more about relaxation and healing. Gently come up out of that pose, crossing our legs. We're going to do a seated twist to one side, gently gazing back as far as feels comfortable. Arms up, over to the other side, that seated twist. From here, come down to your back, whatever way feels good to you. We're just going to do some windshield wiper movements with our legs, letting them fall side to side, whatever pace you like. Just gently balancing out the hips. Go ahead and give yourself a hug, bringing your knees to your chest. From here, we're going to do a legs up the wall variation. I'm choosing to have my hands assist me gently under my sits bones. But if you choose to, you can go and find a wall to put your legs up right now. If your knees bend in this pose, that's totally okay. Again, not straining our body today. We're giving it the nourishment it needs to heal. From here, you can stay with your legs up the wall if you so choose, or come down into your Savasana pose. Just letting your arms and legs fall to the ground, splay open, releasing tension, jaw, letting yourself truly relax and rest in this pose. I'll let you know when to wake up. If you're ready to come out of this, start bringing movement into your body, stretching out your arms, your legs, and gently come into fetal pose on either side. Hold yourself for a short while, thanking yourself for showing up today and taking care of your needs. Gently come up into a seated position. Take a deep breath in, arms up overhead, through prayer pose at the chest. Again, inhale in, arms up. Exhale through prayer. One more time, inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale. Kind and loving thoughts for ourselves and others. Kind and loving actions for ourselves and others. And kind and loving words for ourselves and others. Thank you for practicing with me. I wish you all the best. Namaste.